This is the Essa Bagel from 32nd Street. My name is Kevin. So I would like something about how to process the bagels for in the bakery for this store, okay? So first, we have some bagels here. So just very important, just keep it leave it like for only 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Just keep it warming up. And then we have to put some bagels in this hot water. Okay. After that, just we have to make sure the bagels is a little warm. You know? Okay. So when they have the bagels here, so in this case we're gonna do like the sun everything bagel. Let me sell everything. Everything. So this is the bucket for the everything seeds, okay? So we have to put it inside. This is the process for the everything bagels. The everything seeds, like the onion, garlic, everything like that. We have to put in here. And then you have to put it inside. And then you have to turn around and have some bagels free. Eso ya están listos, ¿no?
No, no están listos.
¿Tenemos unos más listos? Okay. So then how about the roll it up? ¿Cuáles tienen listos? ¿Solo tiene ese shot?
Que haga un corte.
Sí, ajá. Okay.
Así le cae el corte.
After the keep minutes, we're gonna check the bagels is already, okay? This, I have some bagels already here. This is the bagels already for the store. Okay? Yep.
Full cutlery.
So that's the rainbow bagel. See how he look inside?
What's a beautiful color?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Toasted. The rainbow bagels.
Yeah.
We don't sell it much rainbows. We just started selling like a month ago probably. So we just started, but he's still picking up now. You know, people they don't know they have that kind of bagel, so they don't order. But
Next online, please.
that's what they call it. The Mr. Novaloa comes with avocado garlic, right? But he doesn't want avocado garlic, so he wants the scallion instead. So I put a cream cheese first, fresh avocado, onions, and some nova neta. All right, and that's the Mr. Novalova. All right. And that's the way he looks now. All right.
So where's this one now?
This one. Okay, and this sandwich, they want everything bagel, toasted, plain cream cheese, and belly lax.
Okay.
That's all he wants. Okay? Yeah. So this sandwich is simple because he just wanted cream cheese
Yeah.
and belly lax. That's what he wants. So. Yeah.
What do you think about the rainbow one? The rainbow one?
The rainbow one?
Yeah.
Well, the rainbow one is he looks a pretty bagel, but just the color, you know.
Next, please.
Huh?
Next.
Don't say dark color. Just say like a very tasty. Say it. Say it very tasty. All right, boy, what do you think about the rainbow one? Very tasteful, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It looks, you know, he looks really pretty, you know.
Very good.
Very, yeah.
Okay.
They have really good color, you know.
Okay. Anything?
Next line, please.
You know, on this place,
Yeah.
we selling a lot of smoked salmon or belly lax. You know, that's the best sandwich we're selling in here.
That's the best one. Right?
Yeah.
That's the best one.
Yeah.
What's that? What is that? What is that
That's
inside?
belly lax.
Oh.
Belly lax. The belly lax is more salted than the Nova.
Savory.
This one.
A little bit sour.
Yeah, this one is more salty. I mean, less salty than this one. Okay. But this one they selling more than belly legs. Yeah. We selling hundreds and hundreds sandwiches like that.
Anything else, ma'am? Anything else?
Yeah.
Just tell me.
Nova Lova. All right.
Avocado.
Yeah. Nice fresh avocado.
Habla primero, habla primero.
Oh yeah.
All right. And the fresh Nova on the top.
You want eggs?
Nice sandwich, right? Looking good.
Ah, no. Yala. No me la coja, para que abajo mejor. Ya limpiamos. No hay nada ya.
Okay.
All right. Very good sandwich. Very good.
Watch.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Oh man, the authentic of this thing here.
Plastic outside, soft and chewy
The
inside.
authentic. What?
Very delicious.
Yeah.
We
Look
get
at
those
it.
bagels here. in the
Yeah.
store. Yes. Yeah,
You mean like
day,
every
many
day?
times all day. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, because we have a
Wow.
lot of customers every day.
Right.
So we have to do like 2,000, 3,000 bagels each day.
Right. Right.
That's our bagels, everything bagels, and also we have 14 different bagels. But that's the most popular, everything bagel. That's the people love this bagel.
Everything bagel you say.
You're gonna taste it, man.
Yeah.
That just come up in the oven.
Yeah. Everything. Let me see the.
It's
Oh.
very delish.
Oh.
That's
at-
perfect with everything. That's our name. Everything on everything. Bagel.
Everything on the original.
Yes. That's wherever you want put it in, it's gonna love the sandwich.